In this tutorial, we will see that how you can add a picture after posting on Instagram. So let's dive right in. So we are in this Instagram page and we are in profile. If you click on this plus icon and choose a photo here. So let's suppose if I choose this photo here and simply click next. You can see here it's a single photo and share it and open my profile. Here it is. Now there is a single photo. Now if you want to add more photos with this, what we can do is click on these three dots that's showing right top side. It will show you these sum of options where the first thing that you can do is click on this edit. It will give you these options to edit title, location and many more. But in order to add picture after posting, you have to click on this delete. It will give you these two options, delete post or archive. You have to click on this archive. After doing it, this photo will move into archive. Again click on this plus icon and here you have to choose two photos. Like you can see here I choose these two photos here. If I click on this next and share, here it is. So we have successfully add a picture after posting on Instagram without deleting. So that was the easiest tutorial to add a picture after posting on Instagram without deleting.